Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I am going to show you how to share Facebook post on your story or my day. So let's get started our video. First of all, launch on your Facebook application. Okay guys, before starting our video I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, here you can see a lot of post on my timeline, and if you want to share any post on your story, so tap on the right corner beside post share option. Look at this here, share option. Just tap on this and you get on the first share to your story. Just tap on this and then you can custom it from here. You can type anything for that, like news, and then you can add a sticker from here, like any sticker you can add. You can custom it as your own choice or own wish, and after that you can tap share to your story on the down. Just tap share to story and it's processing now. And here you can see it's uploading now. Wait here for few moments. Guys, I would like to request you again, please like this video and subscribe my channel. And finally, it's shared on my story. Refresh it and then watch it. Here you can see this story. So in this way you can share any Facebook post on your story or my day. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.